Blessings, blessings, good people. Thank you for tuning in today. I'd like to try something a little different. Several Garifuna words coming at you. Hope you're ready. So, when someone asks you, or you ask someone, where do they live? You would ask Halia Baganawa. Halia Baganawa. And then you would reply, Florida, Naganawa. Florida, Naganawa. Ubadanu. Nata Duna. Now, if you remember from a previous episode, when I said Ubadanu, that meant give me some time, or give me a minute. And Nata Duna is drinking water. So let's break down the phrases. Halia is where. Halia. And Baganawa means you live. So where do you live? Now, Baganawa comes from the word Aganawa. Aganawa means to live. Now, Nata Duna, Nata comes from the word Ata. And like from my previous episode, Ata means to drink. When you put the N in front of it, it means I drink. And Duna is water. Thank you so much for tuning in. Definitely appreciate your time. And as always, Sareme, Ayo.